Hello everyone, my name is Yos. I will be showcasing you a tool that I made. It's called Order Management Tool. The chart is quite simple, but all the tools is in here. So we have order ID, order date, client name, client email, client phone, order description, grand total, payment progress, paid so far, required payment, comments, project link. This is like optional. Project lead, the status of the order, project details document, and invoice document. So this kind of tool is for project based or custom work like freelancers, agencies, contractors, trainers. If you get unique order each time, this is the good tool for you. Let's say we got a new button here. By clicking add a new order, so there's a form here that will show up. Let's say it's Yos Gmail, then the number random, what is being ordered, blah blah blah. Total is 5,000. Paid so far maybe 0 or 100. Comments blah blah blah. Identity project link. Project lead is maybe Kyla, and you can save the order. And that's what's gonna do is it's gonna create a row here, a row 2, with all the information that you need. Let's say Yos has paid another more money. We can admin tool, manage payments, and we see we have our order here. We still have 4,900 missing, and then Yos someday just decided that he installed 500 euro bank transfer like this, and then add payment. There we go, it's updated. Paid so far is 600, 12%, and we got a log in here that shows all our previous payments. Yeah, I hope you like it. If you like it, you can find the link in the description. Thank you. See you next time.